Do you want a more sporty feeling in your Volvo? Something like this? But instead it's more like this. Well, today I'm going to show you how to get shorter gear shifts with a simple and budget-friendly upgrade. So now I want to measure the difference between before and after. So this is the before we install it. We see the measurement from first gear. That's 35.2. Put in second gear. And there we got 25.5 in second gear. So now let's install it. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe because we got loads of more Volvo content coming. To mount this upgrade, start by opening the bonnet and remove the airbox. It's really easy on these models. Start by removing the hoses and connectors that sits on the side of the airbox. This cable for the air mass flow sensor can be removed and then push it out of the way. Next, loosen the hose clamp to remove this large pipe. Then you should be able to just pull up the whole airbox. Don't forget these two small connectors in the back here. Loosen this hose clamp to move the pipe out of the way. And now we can see the gearbox. Here's the wire which pulls to select each gear, and we'll install this plate over here. Remove the wire by using two pry tools like I have here, one on each side, and it should come free from the ball joint. This came off really easy, and yours will probably take a little bit more force to do. And now when we've done that, remove the ball joint that the wire was connected to, and we'll move that over to the new metal plate. Use a 12mm socket, ideally a long one like I have here, and we actually sell these in the web shop, so you can look in the description for the link. Once you removed it, put it into this hole on the metal plate and secure it with the included nut. You can use a little Loctite to keep them secure. Next, take the shorter screw from the kit and use it to secure the plate into the hole where the wire was located before. For now, just make it hand tight so you can move it and mark the location for the other hole. And then we'll remove it to the side and we'll drill a hole that will be used to secure the plate. Use a center punch to mark the hole, as we want to make sure it's in exactly the right place. Start with a drill slightly smaller than the hole, and this might take a while. And when you're finally through, take an 8mm bit and drill again. And take your time, this took us about 3 minutes to drill in total. Use the last screw in the kit to secure the plate in our new hole. Oh, it's nice when it fits on the first try. And again, you can add a little Loctite here. Now tighten the other nut and reattach the wire by pushing it in place. And let's test them. First, second, third. Okay, and now you can see as I changed through the gears exactly what we've done. By adding the new plate, the wire has been moved a little closer to the pivot point. This means it will require less distance for the gear stick to move and change into gear. I'll quickly put everything back here and then I'll show you how it looks inside the car. se den här satt ju där. Sitter den där. Får vi in den här nu? Ja. Så att den fast själv där. Like that, now everything's done. Now let's check the results. Okay, so I've tested it and it feels super nice now. You can really feel it going into the right spot. So let's measure and see what difference it is between them. And this one is 35.2 again. So the first gear is the same. Put it into second. This one is 29 now and it was 25 before, so it's like 4 centimeters more forward. But it's a big difference as well as in that I feel it going into the actual gear. Now when you got short shift for your gearbox, click up here to add some more functions to your Volvo. Wanna race?